Hello and welcome to this Treasure Hunting Tuesday video. I'm Kory, the art archaeologist, and I'm really excited about this little video here. So I just want to do a quick little mark making session, intuitive painting, mark making of some cards. So let's go through these materials real quick. And by the way, I found a channel a long time ago on this gal, and her name is Red Queen Art, and this is absolutely inspired by her work. She does amazing stuff, and she hasn't posted in quite a while, which makes me really sad, and I hope she gets back into it. But you can check her out right here on YouTube, Red Queen Art. So what I've got today is I've got my mini little brayer here. I've got also a mini jelly plate that I'm going to use as a palette. Get this set over here, and then I've got these really cool little scraper tools, and I'm not sure how much or how little I'm going to be using these, but I thought they would be fun. And then I've got a little stylus too to scratch into the paint, and these are really great for making dots and mark making. And then I've got just a little cutoff of some packaging, leftover packaging, and then I've got some sequin cutout punchinella here, and then these are really fun, and I actually have quite a few of these, but I'm not going to use these two today. These are some handmade stencils that I have cut out, and I really like to do this. It's very therapeutic to lay in bed and just take a piece of cardstock, or you could even take a piece of plastic if you want it to last longer, because these have held up pretty good, but they're newer. So the ones I have used, though, have held up good. I should show you one I've actually used. But it's very therapeutic to just lay around and draw your little lines. And then what I do is I put this on my cutting mat, and I just cut all this out with an X-Acto knife. That's how I do it. So I've got these handmade, hand-cut stencils today. And then for the colors I want to use today, let's go over this real quick. So this is a piece of Canson mixed media paper that I'm using, and I have gessoed, I've taped the border, and then I've taped down the middle to get 4 cards, and I have gessoed the entire sheet. And then I just want to use Golden's Carbon Black, Golden Titan Buff, and this is the gold that I had handy, the Anita's Metallic Gold. So you can use, of course, whatever colors you like, but let's go ahead and get started now. I also want to make some really nice lines in this, so I just grabbed a little old gift card and a palette knife. I may or may not use all this stuff. Okay, so now for the big reveal. And Red Queen Art always talks about how this is her favorite part, and I completely agree. Taking off the tape is the funnest. These are so fun. I hope you guys try this. The magic really is in the layers. That's what I think anyway. So you can just have so much fun with a little bit of paint. Now I've got a couple pieces of paper taped off. Uh-oh, a little glob of something there. As I was saying, I've got a couple pieces of paper taped off that are not gessoed, so I'm gonna try those too and see what I think of both. I like the gesso. It kind of gives the paint a little bit more to move around on. Let's do the border first. I love washi tape for this, and they have pretty good deals at Michael's is where I get most of my washi tape, sometimes Hobby Lobby, but Michael's just really tends to have great deals on it. Uh-oh. Tore a little bit of the paint. That's okay. So some of this washi tape can really be a little strong. Some of it's super too weak and some of it's too strong, but the reason I really like it a lot is because you can get a lot of different widths. Can play around and have different mask, different sizes. So that's what I like about it. Okay, so now these are more narrow. I think this is 1/2 inch, and I'm not sure exactly the measurements. I didn't measure them, but the reason I did this, is because I wanted to have them end up all equal in the end. So I can get them close, if not perfect. And then I've got my little marks. Guess you want to be really careful of what eraser you use, huh? All right, guys, so here's a whole new rabbit hole treasure hunt to go down in the near future, and I plan on doing a whole bunch of these and doing all different kinds of patterns and designs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, of course I invite you to, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you give it a shot. And you can find me on Instagram at Art Archaeologist and also on Facebook at Art Archaeologist. So I will see you real soon. Have a great day.